ABCs with this Sesame Street Mega Bloks. Let's look on the back.
You can build all sorts of things with these letters. Whoa. You can build Elmo, Abby, Sesame Street.
There's Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Abby, and Elmo.
Here's Elmo with Abby. And over here is Cookie Monster with Big Bird.
Let's open and see what letters we can find.
I can't wait.
Let's see. Let's dump it. Whoa!
Whoa, that was
It's
loud.
a lot of blocks. Look at all the colors and letters there are. Wow.
Wait, look, there's Cookie Monster. Wait, where's Elmo?
Here's Elmo.
And where is...
I bet this is Big Bird. Look, Big Bird was hiding.
I think this is Abby. What?
No. This is Abby. Look, guys, we have the instructions to build all different types of words. Look, you can spell Elmo,
Abby, Big Bird, and Cookie Monster.
let's spell Elmo. The letters E, L, M, O spell Elmo. Now let's build Abby. A, B, B, Y spells
Abby.
Now let's spell Big Bird. B, I, G,
B-I-R-D
spells Big Bird. Now let's build Cookie Monster. C-O-O-K-I-E
M-O-N-S-T-E-R
spells Cookie Monster. Look, guys, we spelled
Cookie Monster, Big Bird, Abby, and Elmo.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.